Hey, Bolo buddies. Thanks for watching. All right, you guys, we are going to talk about some unexpected and some big money bolos, and I am featuring Jolly's Treasure Emporium, and I have featured her before. So if you want to see other videos where I have featured her, just type in Jolly's Treasure Emporium Bolo Buddies into the YouTube search, and it will pull up her what sold videos that I have done. She has a very, very diverse store. So if you're kind of I sell everything, you're going to want to watch her videos because she has some very unexpected finds. So this is her eBay store. And we are going to go over here. This is my Facebook group. If you're not in it, come join. But if you would like me to feature you in a video like this, where it's just you, under the share post at the top of the group, you can either share 3 and I can put you in a video with other resellers, or you can share like 15 or 20. And what you do is you go under the share post at the top of the group, share your first item. So tell me where you got it, what you paid for it, what it sold for, and then reply to that comment. And then reply to that comment with your next bolo. And if you guys can use links, that is very helpful. If you want to be featured, I definitely need links. So definitely way better than screenshots for me. And then I can show the items better as well. So we're going to start here with the first one. If you guys have any questions about that, you can also reach out to me on Facebook or Instagram. I am Bolo Buddies. You can reach me on Messenger there and just say you want to be featured and ask for more detail and I can explain it to you. So she got a bunch of Monster High stuff and she got the good ones. She said another Monster High item from the Goodwill bins, less than 25 cents. I had this in a lot of other Monster High items and someone reached out and wanted only this item at first. I didn't want to separate. I'm always getting messages to separate and you have to go in, redo the pictures, other stuff, but decided to ask what they wanted to pay. She said 20. So I decided to do it. Took the old listing down, took pictures, this pink Monster High key, and she went and purchased it. Okay, so I have the same problem. Whenever I lot things in bundles, people are like, "Can you part this out? I only want this. I only want that." And I'm like, "No." But that's a good idea to ask them, "What are you willing to pay me to separate it?" That is a good idea. All right, let's go on to the next one. This one is Artful Dodger men's jeans. I have never heard of these. She said she bought them for $5 at a church sale. Listed 80. Someone reached out and asked if she'd take 65. She said she did. Huh. Never heard of that brand. 65. 5 into 65 is still very good. Ralph Lauren Crystal Glen Plaid Wine Clear Goblet, number 4. I sold another Ralph Lauren Crystal Goblet drinking glass to the same buyer who bought the other 3. This one sold for 95. I paid $1. Took less than 2 months. I freaked out when I found these. So she had it listed high, but here's the thing. She already sold some of them and she's already in the green and the same person came back. So she sold it for 95, which is still great for one glass, right? This is a Palm Cove huge. Oh my goodness. I'm tired, guys. Huge pink beach towel with a butterfly. Who's picking up beach towels? Butterfly paid $3 and took an offer of 20. It did take 7 months to sell, but hey, it's a big one. It's a big extra large one. Somebody who loves beach towels and butterflies. That's who bought it. Here's the next one. Ralph Lauren, size small brown paisley pajama top and pants. There it is. Found this for $5 and sold it for 50 in less than a month. Here's the next one. Resurge extra large petite scrub pants. Man, she sells a ton of scrubs. I do not mess with scrubs. But she really sells a lot of them. That and baby blankets. She said, I love picking up scrubs. Yep, she does. She's not lying. She said, I got these for $2.50, sold on a 10% offer for 25 in about a week. There you go. And usually you can get scrubs pretty cheap at sales. If you think about it, there's a lot of people that wear scrubs, so it's probably a good pickup. Monster High G1 Draculora. A lot of 4 shoes. First wave. See, that's important. The first wave, I think. I think that makes them more valuable, but you got to do all your research. Another G1 from the Goodwill bins. These are 4 pair of shoes sold for $62, 10% off sale. The next item, Polo Ralph Lauren Dusty Red Salmon Chino Pants. Found 2 pair brand new with tags at the favorite church thrift store for $4 each. Sold the pair for $50 in less than a month. Okay. The next one, it is a Beaufort Bonnet Company Pink Elephant Baby Sleeping Bag. I love her solds. I just love them. I would have walked past this. She paid $2 for it and sold for full asking price $69 in less than 3 months. Is that crazy? That crazy. Here's the next one. Scooby-Doo lot of 7 VHS tapes. Another lot, 7 Scooby-Doo, paid less than 5 for all of them, sold for full asking price of $69. Still have more Scooby-Doo to list. Took a few weeks to sell. So you guys, she's buying these vintage VHS, she's lotting them up, and she's making really good profits on them. Monster High Guilla, I don't know how to say that. Yelp's Red White Glooms Beach Bag. Ha! Let's see. Sold for $19, but it has been listed from June 2025, so about a year. Less than 25 cents. So some of these things are list it and forget it. Here we go. Magic Skin Conditioning Shaving Powder. Is this vintage? Looks vintage. I don't know if it is or not. This came in a clear grab bag at a thrift store with other. It's for $3. Magic Skin Conditioning Shaving Powder. Lot of 2 sold for $34. 3 months to sell. I don't know if that's new old stock or. I got this in a grab bag with other items at a thrift store for $3. Has been in my profit pile. Finally listed for $24 and sold for full asking price. It's Dr. Scholl's Rub Relief Strips. Took 4 months to sell. Look at that, you guys. It's for your shoes. Man, that must work good. Must be discontinued and work really good. Wonder what it retailed for. Found these Elemis Aching Muscle Soak Bath at a church thrift. $4. Sold for $41. 3 months to sell. The next item. Okay. So she said, I've sold so many of these vintage 2-pocket folders. She said her and her granddaughter found at the Goodwill for $4. She said, I believe a milk crate full. This is a cat and dog ones. They sold for $29 on a 10% off sale. They've been listed since 2024. Still have more to sell. Wish I could find more of these. Okay. So I couldn't get the listing to pull up for that, but let me show you some of the other ones she's sold. 2-pocket folders. These are in her solds. Look at that, guys. Look at the prices on these. Is that crazy? Crazy. All right, we're getting into some other things here. All right, let's look at the next one. This is a great one. Me and a lady was talking. She was looking for wide leg pants. She picked these up, ended up putting them back. I grabbed them, looked them up, and said, I'll take those. She asked, what are they selling for? I told her. She said, those were my pants, kind of kidding around. Well, I ended up with them, paid $6. They are caffeine unisex baggy oversized pants, listed for $184 and took an offer of $150 in less than 2 months. What on earth? Caffeine? Have you guys heard of this? That is crazy. Wait, what's up with the crayons? Why are the crayons there? Oh, maybe to show color? I don't know. What are you doing with the crayons? Oh, man. Okay, here we go. It might be like so you can figure out what color they are. That is so funny. Not seen that. Bought this Castelli Cycling 3XL shirt, new with tags for $5, listed for $60 and took an offer for $50. Bought this Vera Bradley shoulder tote purse around $5 or less, looked barely used, sold it for $34. What do you guys think of Vera Bradley? I just sold a Vera Bradley. I feel like when I go to garage sales, people want a ton of money for their Vera Bradley. Do you guys notice that? But I went to one last weekend and they were selling them for $2 each. So I did pick up a couple. A couple of months ago, I got I don't know what this is, to buy a blazer thing. Still have more to list. $5. Okay, I don't want to say this wrong. I think is it Yves Saint Laurent? I don't know. I always say it wrong. Men's blazer. Couldn't find size or material tag, but it sold in 2 months. Yeah. $43. This brand is super high dollar. Super high dollar. The jewelry does well. Clothes do well. If you see it, look it up. Phantom of the Opera trinket box. I was about to leave Goodwill and a new cart came out, and really nice employee I talked to said, "Look at this, open it up." I love it. Only $4. It's Phantom of the Opera music box. I only saw a few listed, so listed mine at $133. Took an $85 offer, less than 1 month on the eBay store. Oh my goodness, look, it's got a little face. And you guys can add videos too. That is a good idea. LL Bean oversized whale beach towel. Another beach towel. Bought this oversized beach towel. I think the oversized is what sells them. What do you guys think? People want them big beach towels. Just, oversized beach towel a while back. Decided to list it. Went to wash it. Was shocked someone monogrammed it. Decided to list anyway. For 60 within a week. Got an offer of 56. I reached out to make sure they knew it was monogrammed, and they did. Huh. Maybe that's their initials. Here's the next one. VeggieTales VHS tapes. Lot of 9. Sherlock Holmes. Lord of the Beans. King George. VeggieTales Christian-based DVDs. Definitely a good pickup. Pick these tapes up when they were cheap, especially cartoons, and save them to lot them together. Bought 9 for 6 or less, and they are VeggieTales. Sold for 25 offer. Listed for 5 months. So she's saying she picks them up at different places and then lots them together. I think that's what she did with the Scooby-Doo as well. James Gregory, funniest man in America. Live stand-up comedy. Wow. Huh. Who knew? Found these stand-up comedy DVDs for $1 each volume. 1, 2, 3. Sold on 10% for $53. The next item is this Lululemon tank bra. Bought 2 of these. $5 each. Sold the purple and gray one to the same buyer for $25. Other one, $23. Took 8 months to sell. So the other one is identical, but it was gray. Castelli, she sold another one that was this brand. Cycling men's Cento bib shorts. So is that like a bodysuit? I think that's a bodysuit. New with tags for $5. Listed for $50 and took an offer of $45 in about a week. There you go. Cycling. Yuri Sakia Teddy Fresh Pink large sweatshirt hoodie. Bought this hoodie for $5, listed for $50 and took an offer of $45 within 4 months. Walnut Hollow Farm Oil Pencils, 24 of them, barely used, from 1988. Bought them at a estate sale for $1, took 7 months to sell. Listed high at $94 and took a best offer of $50. I love selling art supplies. Some of them go for crazy money. Longchamp Red Cosmetic. Oh my goodness. Cosmetic travel mini purse. Bought it for $2, listed for $38 and took a best offer of $30. Even had little marks on the inside. Sold in a few weeks. All right, you guys. Here's her eBay store, Jolly's Treasure Emporium. Go check her out. Check her out on the bay. Thank you guys so much for being here. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And if you want to see more videos with her sold, Jolly's Treasure Emporium, Bolo Buddies in the YouTube search, and it will pull those up. All right, you guys, thanks so much for being here, and thanks for watching.